Is crypto staking halal, and can it earn while you sleep? Let's make it simple. Quick answer, maybe. It depends how you do it, and whom you delegate to. Staking means locking your tokens to help a proof of stake network run, and you earn rewards for it. Think of validators like security staff checking entries. Your tokens back their work. You lock tokens as a show of trust, a security bond. Rewards pay for validation and network fees, not lending. Only proof of stake coins use staking, not every crypto. Rewards vary by coin and validator performance, by lock time, and by platform or validator fees. Pros: passive style rewards and greener than mining. Risks: volatility, lockups, slashing. Prices can drop fast. Start small. Use reputable platforms or validators. Never stake money you can't afford to lose. How to: pick a POS coin. Choose a reputable validator or platform. Transfer if needed. Delegate, confirm, then monitor and restake or claim. Staking means delegating tokens to a validator that proposes and attests blocks. Rewards come from block inflation and network fees. Your share depends on validator uptime, commission, and how much you stake. Main risks: slashing for misbehavior or downtime, price volatility, lockups or unbonding, and smart contract or platform risk. Staking versus bank interest. Bank interest pays for lending on debt. Many scholars call that riba. Staking rewards pay for a validation and security service, not lending. Scholars differ. Some permit non-custodial delegation. Others caution if rewards are purely inflationary or structures mimic lending or leverage. Practical approach: avoid interest-bearing add-ons and custodial yield products. Prefer transparent non-custodial delegation. Read coin-specific Sharia reviews, and if unsure, avoid. This is education, not financial or religious advice. Please consult a qualified scholar for your case. Top staking coins to research: Ethereum, Cardano, Solana. Widely staked and well supported. Verify guidance for each. Sharia notes: opinions differ. Ethereum, non-custodial delegation is discussed. Be mindful of MEV and leverage services. Cardano, often praised for transparent non-custodial delegation, still verify specific rulings. Solana, mixed views. Ensure rewards relate to validation service, not interest-like structures. Always consult a qualified scholar for your situation. Want the full proof of stake walkthrough? Check the link in the description.